Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a search bar in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's search module, which makes it easy to add a clean and functional search box anywhere on your site. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Go to the page where you want to place the search bar. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and insert a row. A single column row works well if you want the search bar to stretch across the page, but you can also use multiple columns if you want it next to text or images. Next, click the plus icon and search for the search module. Add it to your row. By default, you will see a search input box with a button. Open the module settings, and in the Content tab you can customize the placeholder text inside the search bar. For example, you can change it to say "Search our site" or "Find products." You can also choose whether the search should include all content or only blog posts, pages, or products. Now move to the Design tab. Here you can style the input field, adjust the text size, change colors, and round the corners to match your site's design. You can also style the search button with custom colors, borders, and hover effects so it stands out. If you want the search bar in a header or footer, you can also add it inside a global section using the Divi theme builder. This way the search option is available on every page of your site. Once you are happy with the design, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your new search bar live on your site. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.